Alright guys, this morning I'm up here. Just dropped my car off up here around Hensonville. I gotta get some work done. And figured I'd take a stroll down here in the old neighborhood. The area where we lived 2013, 2014. So yeah, I'll show you the apartment that we rented down here and show you some of the streets down in this area. Pretty nice, chilled, relaxed neighborhood in here. But yeah, I'll show you around this area here. A lot of expats live in this area. These are all apartments right here. Apartments over there. A lot of traffic here because this is part of the rerouting of the street that they're working on up in Hensonville, Zeppelin Street. So they're rerouting all the traffic down this way. A lot of these businesses on this street were just put up here within the past, I don't know, maybe 4 years since we were here. Another car wash over there. Morning. Hafa Adea. That was being built when we were here. I think it's a either apartment or a hotel. Court Hotel, Annex Court Hotel. So yeah, that was put up in the past 4 years. City Walk Restaurant, that used to be called Jude's. We used to eat at Jude's quite a bit, and as you can see, changed names. That was a good place to eat too. They had excellent soup in there. Nice drainage. This over here, this KCJ Steel Supply, this was all fields here when we were here. And that building there was put up within the past 4 years. Hello, morning. Place here, Ventana Trading. That's new. Like I said, these were all fields here. All right, here's where we used to live. Right here in these homes right here. These were apartments. They've reconstructed them, redid them. They put that carport top on. When we were living there, that top wasn't there, and I don't know what they look like inside anymore. But like I said, they've redid them all. But I'll show you exactly where we lived. Right in this apartment right here. This one right here, we lived here for almost a year. They put all new doors on. Don't look like new windows, but yep, that was the apartment we were in. Now they're for sale. key is to get across here without getting hit. Actually, let's go this way. This sign's no till. Alabañas. Timon. Morning. This is all new here. People's Park. Keep it safe, keep it clean. And we'll take a little walk back here. Clean this all up right in through here. This used to be a field with a lot of garbage in it. I don't know where it goes. We're going to find out, but some nice looking flowers. Got some picnic benches back here. I think it just goes out into a field. Yeah, it just goes out into a walking field. I don't think I'm gonna walk back in there. But yeah, this is all new too. And you got the trike line here. Morning. Yes, walking. See the jet up in the sky there. Cathay Pacific. That's been circling now for a little while. But imagine it's going to go land over in Clark. I used to walk up this way quite a bit when we lived back there. Morning. Apartment for rent. I drive up this way quite a bit. I need to go over to Angeles City. I don't want to go up MacArthur through Fields Avenue and stuff. I shoot up this way. It's the back way. Brings you up right by Robinson Mall, then up over the bridge into Angeles City. Yeah, I use this road quite a bit, this route. And that's why it's quite busy, because a lot of people do use this to get from one side of Angeles City to the other side of Angeles City. Oh, rooster coming up here. Somebody asked me if there's places that are unsafe to walk. Actually, back in that way, I never walk back in there. The roads are real narrow, and I was told don't walk back in there. So, yeah, I never walk back in there. Alright guys, I hope you like that little walk around the neighborhood. I'm actually sitting inside a trike right now. I'm not a big fan of trikes, but I'm pretty walked out. Oh, I'm talking to myself. Yeah, I gotta walk back here later on to get the car, so. But anyways, like I said, I hope you enjoyed the little stroll in the old neighborhood there. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Like, share, dislike, choice is always yours. Leave the comments down below, and I guess until the next walk,